off the.
What are you playing?
I'm here to challenge James to a game of paper football.
All right, got you right in here.
Do you have confidence in James's abilities? What do you think?
I don't. He does have like chubby fingers, and I think that may hinder him in his offensive performance. However, defensively, I think he may hold up.
Hi, I'm Sam, and I'm going to be serving as one of the shoutcasters for today's competition.
And I am Shane Fox-Dugan. I will be serving as the other shoutcaster for today.
I think the rules are just as simple as you get 4 downs, get the ball to kind of hang over the edge of the table.
That's
if
good
it
for a
falls
try.
over, that's a turnover. But if you get it to stop right there or in any capacity, that's a point.
Okay.
And what do you want to play to?
Why don't we play it at 10?
10 points.
So
Gotcha.
it's, what is it, a 2 for this and 1 for the field goal?
1 for the field goal. That
Okay.
sounds about it. That sounds about right.
That was impressive. James is off to a solid start.
Off the.
Oh.
4th down.
No.
Just shy. I think if his ball wasn't deflated, it may have went a little further.
Is it over?
Now it is.
Oh,
off the
just shy.
crossbar. Let's see if LaMott can get back into this. Just over.
I think it's the nerves.
I'm a strong second half team.
It's like child's play. Just march him down the field.
This might get blocked. Someone coming in for the block?
That's good.
wide.
I think-
Good.
was that
Wide.
Good.
It was
Lamont
wide.
says it's good.
LaMott says it's good.
Challenge.
It seemed a little to the right.
I trust Lamott's judgment
but
on that.
I'm going to defer to Lamont.
It's a comeback of all comebacks. Now a challenge. That is ridiculous. Is
No.
this thing rigged?
Not quite.
I think it's this defense. Yeah, I didn't think I would be brought in here to be to be blown out in such a fashion. I have yet to score, which is
Sure, 8-0.
8-0. Either way, James needs one more.
There you go.
That was a solid touchdown right there.
was that good or not?
Oh!
Right down Broad Street.
That was impressive. But James just needs one more score. That was it.
That's it.
That was it.
Good man. Good man. Good man.
I'm going to spend all winter in the mountains training, and when I return next season,
Final analysis, total domination by the CEO, James, and LaMott. Training is an understatement.
Yeah, we think that maybe LaMott just came in here, like most people, just overconfident. But they don't know that James is a winner. So I think that's what happened right there.
Hey, how's it going, man?
Hey, in the list?
Yes, sir. Here to play some cornhole today against Justin, I think it is.
I'm Justin, but I got you playing James here.
That sounds good. We'll do that too.
All right.
All right, my name's Sam, and we're gonna be playing cornhole.
And I'm Shane Fox-Dugan.
All right, and the gameplay goes like this. So the players alternate by throwing one bag at a time. When all the bags are thrown, the score is tallied. And the player with the last point scored first goes first on the next round. And it's 1st to 21, and if you go over, you do win. It's 3 points for in the hole, 1 point for on the board.
Well, why don't you guys go ahead and shake hands.
Rolling in from Harrisburg.
You're going down.
James has been 5 for 5 on all competitions so far.
Wow, that was
Right in the hole.
wow. This is off to a very good start.
Very competitive so far.
Oh. Okay, we have the first miss of the match. No points for either
No points.
side.
Oh, man.
Bouncing onto the board from the bottom, but so what was the total there?
That was 0-0.
Wow.
First short throw by Mike.
Gotta drain this.
3-0. 4. Releases. It's on the board. So, 2 more. We are at 5 points for Mike, and James has nil.
I have a feeling this headband might be the challenge. Problem. I might have to take that off.
James is right on the lip. James is on the board.
There we go.
1 point. Even though it's 5-1, it's still anybody's game.
Oh, here we go.
Looks like we got 2 more points for Mike. Oh, there it is.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
That bag is 2/3 in.
Wow. Okay. Wow.
Oh, man.
One round can make the difference in this game.
14-1. 7 points in a single round. In a single round, 14 points. James over here trying to kill the commentators. I think for the first time today, James is the one feeling the pressure.
I am literally sweating.
This could lock it up. Wow, Mike just got 2 for 1.
But
Oh.
James retaliates.
So 3 points, that's gonna put you at 20.
Just needs to get 1 point here, and the game's over.
Yeah, at this point it is Mike's game to lose. But weirder things have happened, so we're gonna wait and see.
Oh.
All right, the winning point is on the board unless James can do something.
I'm gonna say no.
All right, that is very...
James needs a miracle.
He just gave me a shot.
James was just saying he has to knock one off and get it into the hole.
Oh, wow.
Ooh, that was close.
Good game. We got a champion.
James did his best.
He whooped my ass.